If you got 3 seconds more in life on a bike,
absolutely,
that's all you need.
Absolutely.
That's all you need.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cruiseman's Garage. Today we are at a wake here in Carrollton, Texas for our monthly first Saturday Bikes and Breakfast meetup. Okay, I see Robert White here is all geared up with all kinds of cameras.
What's up, channel? One, well, that's not a camera, that's a lav mic. And then two, got my trusty Go Ultra here, which I think might take the best video of anything I have, to be honest with you.
It's amazing
for such a small.
Sounds like a body cam, right?
Yeah, body cam. Yeah, it looks like a body cam. For such a small camera, it really does a great job. I see you're testing out the new Luna here.
Yep, gonna
that
try
thing
it.
Looks pretty awesome.
We're going to give it a test today, and we're here at a wake. Everybody got here early today.
No, except for Don.
Well, you know, Don, he needs his beauty rest.
How do you get reverse to work with the bike turned on? Okay, Don Smith going to show off his Cruiseman's merchandise here. Pretty cool. There's coffee waiting for us over here.
Cruiseman's, man, he's the guy. Let's get coffee now.
Damn right. I'm ready.
Thank you.
I was going to say for any more critics, so glad I was taking Don.
So those of us that showed up very early decided to go next door to Einstein's because they opened at 6 o'clock, and we're going to have a cup of coffee before the actual breakfast at 7 a.m.
Good morning.
Okay,
Who's the man? This is royalty here.
I'm just getting some video of you. Then I'll put this down and shake your hand. Before long, more and more bikes began to show up. We ended up with 25 bikes in all. I think that's a record. This was by far our most successful Bikes and Breakfast meetup yet. I think we had more than 30 people show up in total, and everybody had a great time. We all had a great breakfast, and I just want to take a second to thank everybody that took the time to ride out this morning and meet up with us. Shout out to Orlando, our waiter, who took everybody's order and got our food out on time. We look forward to seeing you next month at Bikes and Breakfast.